Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain network security assessment and wireless or remote access assessment. Okay, and wireless testing and testing network filtering device. Okay, so please do like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. First is network security assessment. Network security assessment is effective method to protect the system from external attacks. Okay, vulnerabilities present in router, firewalls, DNS, web and database servers and other system become doorway to attackers to perform attacks. Okay, network assessment help in reducing the risk related to the network. Okay, it gives more clear idea about the risk by external and internal attackers. Okay, it scan the network environment for identifying vulnerabilities and help to improve enterprise security policy. Okay, it uncover network security fault that can lead to data or equipment being exploited or destroyed by trojan and denial of service attack and other intrusion. Okay, it ensures the security implementation actually provides protection that enterprise required when any attack take place on network. Okay, generally by exploiting vulnerabilities of the system. Okay, and it is performed by team attempting to break into the network or servers. Okay, so this is the network security assessment. Next is wireless or remote access assessment. Okay, wireless or remote access assessment addresses security risk associated with increasing mobile workforce. Okay, wireless networking has various benefits as well as security risk. Okay, assessment includes testing the following things like bluetooth, wireless network, radio communication channels and wireless radio transmission. Okay, so this is the wireless or remote access assessment. Okay, next is wireless testing. A wireless network can be attacked in multiple ways and conducting penetration test is difficult process here compared to wired network. Okay, launch the attack against wireless network. Attacker use various methods such as denial of service attack, man in the middle attack and ARP poisoning attack. Okay, some methods for wireless testing included but are not limited. Okay, check if the access point default SSID. SSID means service set identifier. Okay, it is easily available. Test for broadcast SSID and accessibility to the LAN through this. Okay, test can include brute forcing the SSID character string using tools like Kismet. Okay, so this is the tools using. Okay, check for vulnerabilities in accessing the WLAN through the wireless router, access point or gateway. Okay, this can be include verifying if the default wire equivalent privacy encryption key can be captured and decrypted. Okay, audit for broadcast beacon sorry broadcast beacon. Okay, audit for broadcast beacon of any access point and check all protocols available on the access point. Okay, check if the layer 2 switches network are being used instead of hubs for access point connectivity. Okay, subject authentications to playback of previous authentication in order to check for privileges escalation and unauthorized access. Okay, and verify that access is granted only to client machine with register MAC addresses. Okay, so this is the wireless testing. Next is testing network filtering device. There are various way configure network filtering device. Okay, they may be careless check malicious traffic, while in other they may be strict to allow legitimate traffic. Okay, objectives of the pen test team: would be as certain that only legitimate traffic flows through the filtering device. Okay, if multiple filters are used like DMZ configuration that uses two firewalls. Okay, each filter has to be tested to make sure that it has been configured in correct ways. Okay, the most preventive firewalls cannot restrict network intrusion when intrusion is initiated within the organization. Okay, most firewalls have ability to log all activities, but if the logs are unmonitored over a period of time, okay, they may hinder the functionality of the firewall. Okay, pen tester may be test a firewall for endurance by checking the logs and ensuring that logging activities does not interfere with the firewall primary activity. Okay, proxy server may be subjected to tests determine their ability to filter out unwanted packet. Pen tester may recommend the use of load balancer if the traffic load scheme to affecting the filtering capabilities of the device. Okay, testing for default installation of the firewall can be done to ensure that default user ID and password have been disabled or changed. Okay, tester can also check for any remote logging capability that are unable and allow intruder to disable the firewall. Okay, so this is the testing network filtering device. Thank you for watching.